Look, if you've ever played pickleball, you know the third shot drop can feel like the most stressful shot in the game. You either float it too high and get crushed, or you dump it straight into the net. But here's the truth, pros aren't guessing. They've got one shot that makes everything easier, the slice drop. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how to hit it, step by step, so you can stop handing free points to your opponents and start looking like you belong on centre court. Here's the thing about the third shot. It's not just another shot. It's the shot that decides whether you get into the rally or stay stuck at the baseline. Think of it like a door. The returner and their partner are already camped at the net, building a wall. The third shot drop is your key to breaking through that wall and unlocking the kitchen line for yourself. Without it, you're basically trying to win rallies from the baseline against players who control the net. Spoiler alert, you're going to lose that battle 9 times out of 10. But when you hit a slice drop, you're not just sending the ball over the net, you're making it die in the kitchen, skidding low and forcing your opponents to hit up. Suddenly, you've flipped the script. They're uncomfortable, you're moving forward, and the entire flow of the rally changes. Step 1. Shot selection. The first mistake most players make is simply trying to hit this shot at the wrong time. Let's clear that up. You only go for the slice drop when the ball's in the right zone. Think waist to shoulder height. If it's too high above your shoulders, you're better off driving it. If it's too low, you'll be forced to scoop it up and it loses its effectiveness. Pros decide early. By the time the ball crosses the net, they've already committed, this one's a slice drop. Amateurs, they hesitate, they second guess. And hesitation is what leads to awkward, inconsistent drops. So rule number 1, read the ball early and decide. Ask yourself, is it in the zone? If yes, commit. Step 2, the role of footwork. Here's where the average player gets exposed. They treat the third shot like an arm swing. Reach, flick, hope for the best. But pickleball doesn't reward reaching, it rewards positioning. Pros move their feet first. They get behind the ball, they get low, they set their base. Think of your legs as the foundation and your paddle as just the extension. Without the foundation, the paddle can't do its job. If you've ever felt like you're constantly stretching for the ball and losing control, it's not your paddle, it's your feet. So here's the fix. As the return comes, split step, adjust your stance and get close enough so the ball feels like it's coming into your strike zone rather than you reaching for it. Imagine trying to hammer a nail with your arm stretched all the way out. That's what amateurs do. Pros bring the ball in tight, compact, controlled. Step 3, the grip that makes it possible. Let's talk paddle work. The continental grip is your cheat code here. Why? Because it's neutral. It works on forehand, it works on backhand, and you don't have to switch grips between shots. That means less time thinking, more time reacting. Hold your paddle like you're shaking hands with it. That's continental. Simple, efficient, consistent. Now here's the nuance. Keep the paddle face slightly diagonal. Wrist locked firm. No wiggling, no flicking. You're not trying to add spin with your wrist. You're carving spin with the paddle angle. Think of it like shaving wood with a knife. It's smooth, controlled, precise. Step 4, the mechanics of the slice. Imagine the ball as a sphere of potential energy. Your job isn't to crush it, it's to guide it. With a slice, you're brushing down and through the back of the ball, almost like you're scooping under ice cream with a knife instead of stabbing with a spoon. Start high, finish low. Paddle path is diagonal, not straight. Your follow through is short and compact, not exaggerated. The result? Backspin. That backspin makes the ball dip over the net, skid low and stay in play. And the beauty is, it looks almost effortless. The paddle does the work, the spin does the magic. Step 5, the secret ingredient, momentum. Here's something you'll notice if you watch top players. They don't hit this shot standing still. They're always moving forward as they make contact. That forward momentum is huge. It helps soften the ball, it carries them into the kitchen, and it keeps the whole shot fluid. Amateurs freeze at the baseline. Pros flow forward. So as you swing, step through it. Don't lunge, don't overcommit, but let your body naturally glide forward. The slice isn't just about the ball, it's about transitioning you into position. Why opponents hate it. Let's flip perspectives for a second. Imagine you're the opponent at the kitchen line. You see a slice drop coming at you. What do? The ball dips lower than expected. It carries backspin, so when it bounces, it doesn't sit up. It forces you to hit up on your reply. Suddenly you've lost your advantage. You can't smash, you can't attack. At best, you're resetting. This is why pros rely on it. It neutralizes aggressive opponents and buys you time to get up to the net. And remember, pickleball isn't won at the baseline, it's won at the kitchen. Before we wrap this up, let's call out the traps that kill the slice drop. Too much wrist. Spin doesn't come from flicking. It comes from paddle angle, standing flat-footed, No movement means no control. Overhitting. A slice is about touch, not power. If you're blasting it, you're doing it wrong. Late decision. By the time the ball's already on you, it's too late to improvise. Decide early, fix those, and your consistency skyrockets. Here's the bottom line. The third shot slice drop isn't just a fancy option. It's your ticket into every rally. It transforms that stressful, high-pressure third shot into a controllable, repeatable weapon. So next time you're on court, don't just push your drops, slice them. Commit to the technique, trust the spin, and watch how your opponents stop attacking you. At first, it'll feel awkward, you'll mess some up, that's normal, but once it clicks, the entire game changes. If this breakdown gave you even one aha moment, hit that like button. And if you want more pro-level insights turned into simple, step-by-step lessons, make sure to subscribe, because this is just one piece of the puzzle, and I'm going to keep giving you the tools to turn your weaknesses into weapons. Stay sharp, play smart, and I'll see you in the next one.